I have seen just so many people telling you how you can make money uploading rain videos on YouTube, but all they do is simply show you how to do it and never share their own results if they ever tried it. So in this video I will show you how to create rain videos, how to monetize them, and how much money we will be making, given the expectations of many YouTubers saying that you can easily generate $2,000 creating low-effort rain videos. So without wasting any time, let's jump into my $2,000 side hustle where I simply upload rain videos and make money. I will walk you through how to find the necessary sounds and images and how you can edit the video together absolutely for free. For this side hustle, all you need is a computer or a phone and an internet connection. For those of you that have never heard the term before, ambient videos are YouTube videos consisting of relaxing sounds and imagery looped for several hours. The examples you can find on YouTube are numerous, like this one for example that has got millions of views and only contains the same audio and image looped for 10 hours. Now technically speaking, these videos are pretty simple to be produced and I will show you how to do that for free in a second, but first let me show you how much money you could be potentially making with this one. The most popular website that people use to see how much money YouTubers are making is Social Blade. If you take a look at the channel we just saw earlier, you can see that it's making around 25,000 per month. From my experience, however, I have seen that this number tends to be lower from what YouTubers are actually making, specifically when it comes to long videos like this one. However, in this case, I think that they are making less money, and let me show you why. Even though this is a very long video and it gives you the possibility of placing multiple ad breaks, I do believe that this guy is only placing ads at the beginning and the very end of the video. Otherwise, people that try to fall asleep with this kind of videos would wake up in the middle of the night because an ad starts playing somewhere during the 10 hours video. And honestly, I don't think that someone who is sane enough would go for the option of placing mid-roll ads. YouTubers will usually show you how many views a channel gets based on Social Blade and then multiply it with an average RPM they think this video has, but they will never show you genuine results. So I decided to try this side hustle myself, and here's how I did it. The first thing I needed to do was to find stock footage. For this channel I use Storyblocks, which provides a wide range of stock footage and audio. Now the best thing about Storyblocks is that it basically allows you to use the footage you downloaded even after your subscription expires. Anyway, if for some reason you don't want to pay $60 for Storyblocks, then you can use one of the free providers like Pexels. All you need to do is select the video section and search for whatever stock footage you need. If we simply search for rain, you will see that there are around 3,000 videos we can choose from. To download the video on your PC, it is as simple as pressing this green button and that's it. You don't even need to sign up for that. Now that we have the footage downloaded, we need to start thinking about the audio, which in this case will be raining sound effects. For audio, I basically use Epidemic Sounds, which has a huge library of high quality music and sound effects, and you can have that on your own YouTube videos without having any issues with copyrights. Epidemic Sounds will cost you $9.99 if you pay it yearly or $18 if you pay it monthly. For the ones that don't want to spend any money on sound effects, you can as well use YouTube's library. Since I have an Epidemic Sound subscription, I went to the website, clicked on the sound effects and searched for rain. Here you can see all types of rain sounds it offers, like forest rain, thunderstorm rain, heavy rain, and you can listen to the sounds before you decide what will be best for your project. Now that I had the footage and the sound effect, I simply needed to edit them together and loop them for at least 1 hour. I simply opened Premiere Pro, created a new project, and then just drag and drop the footage and the audio as well. In order for you to loop the audio and the video, you simply select them, hold down Alt from the keyboard and just drag them on the side. I repeated this process for a few seconds, and just like that, I had created the easiest 1-hour video I have ever done. If you want to do this from another editing software or your phone, the process is exactly the same. You download the footage from Pexels and the sound effect, and then you simply edit them together and loop them for several hours. You can do this kind of videos in the same way for pretty much everything. For example, if I want to create a burning fire video, I simply go to Pexels, search for fire, and then download something that is to my liking. In the same way, I can download the audio from Epidemic Sound accounts or YouTube's library. Creating the video, however, is by far the easiest thing to do in this niche. If you make a little bit of research regarding these kind of videos, there are many people saying that these kind of videos cannot be monetized. However, simply by using the vidIQ extension, you can see if a YouTube video is monetized or not. And if we take a look on the channel that we saw earlier, for instance, we are going to see that the green icon is there that indicates that this channel is currently monetizing. Also, if I click in some of his videos, you will notice that the green dollar sign is there, which means that the video is monetizing. But what if I don't have a channel that has got millions of subscribers? Can you actually monetize such videos with a small channel? To answer such questions, I decided to upload the rain videos I created earlier to one of my channels which is currently monetized but has only around 1,000 subscribers. In this way, we don't have to upload hundreds of videos and wait months to see first if the channel will get monetized, and second, how much money we will be making from this entire thing. Since my channel is very small and I would not get any views from my loyal subscribers, my plan was to try and rank for the search results. The first thing I did was taking a look at the keywords the main channels were using on their most popular videos. I'm talking about using keywords like sleep fast, reduce stress, relaxation, insomnia, and think of other words someone can search for when trying to relax and sleep fast using a YouTube video, and just go from there. After that, I needed to make sure that the people that would actually see the video on the search results would actually go ahead and click on that, so I worked really hard to create some decent thumbnails. Basically, I uploaded 3 high quality videos and now it's the time to check the results. So here you can see the results for each video a few hours after I uploaded them, and you can straight away notice that the reality does not meet the expectations. Let me show you why. I have seen more than 50 videos of different YouTubers showing you how you can make money uploading rain videos on the platform. The majority of them will bring this guy as an example of how successful this side hustle can be. However, for some reason they fail to mention that this guy has equipment worth thousands of dollars and he records all of his videos himself and does not simply download them from Pexels. Just so you have an idea against whom you're competing, this channel is run by a team of people that shoot, edit and upload videos professionally, and if you think that you stand a chance against them simply downloading and looping images from Pexels, then let me tell you that most of the YouTubers out there made it look easier than it actually is. If you still want to try this side hustle, however, and stay away from failure, make sure to create original content and then loop it, because I believe that the YouTube algorithm is able to detect free stock footage without much value in it. That is mainly the reason most of my videos didn't even get recommended to the viewers, let alone get ranked in the search. If you want to see some realistic results from viral side hustles, make sure to subscribe to the channel and check out this video of mine where I try to make $500 per day with 5 different side hustles using only my phone. And spoiler alert, I actually made money.